Top-tier drones. In the world of professional drone photography and videography, certain names stand out. First on our list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This drone is a powerhouse for professional filmmakers and photographers. It features a dual camera system with a Hasselblad sensor for outstanding image quality. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe flight even in challenging environments. With a flight time of up to 46 minutes, the Mavic 3 Pro allows you to capture extended shots without interruption. Next up, we have the Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro. This drone is known for its exceptional image quality and robust performance. It boasts a 6K camera capable of capturing stunning detail and vibrant colors. For professionals seeking the ultimate in image quality, the Inspire 3 is DJI's flagship cinema drone. Selecting the right drone can be a daunting task, especially with the wide array of options available on Amazon. For professional filmmakers and photographers, investing in a high-end drone like the DJI Mavic 3 Pro or the Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro is a wise decision. These drones offer unparalleled image quality, advanced flight features, and long flight times, crucial factors for professional-grade footage. If you're a passionate hobbyist, drones like the DJI Air 2S or the Autel Evo Nano Plus are excellent choices. They provide a balance of performance, portability, and affordability, making them ideal for capturing breathtaking shots on your adventures. Remember, the best drone for you is the one that best aligns with your needs and creative vision. Flying a drone is an exhilarating experience, but it's essential to prioritize safety and responsibility. Before your first flight, familiarize yourself with local drone regulations. Always fly within your line of sight and maintain a safe distance from people and obstacles. Practice flying your drone in a safe and open area to get comfortable with the controls. Plan your shots in advance to maximize your drone's creative potential. Use leading lines, natural frames, and different altitudes to create visually engaging footage. Remember, mastering drone photography and videography is a journey of continuous learning and exploration. Drones have become powerful tools for visual storytelling, empowering content creators to capture perspectives and emotions that were once impossible to achieve. Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, or simply someone passionate about capturing the world from a unique angle, a drone can elevate your content to new heights. Imagine capturing the beauty of a sunrise over a sprawling cityscape or the intricate details of a historical landmark from a bird's-eye view. Drones allow you to reveal hidden perspectives and transport your audience to extraordinary places. They add a cinematic quality to your videos and an ethereal beauty to your photographs. Beyond their visual appeal, drones offer practical benefits for content creators. They can be used to scout locations, capture behind-the-scenes footage, and create dynamic transitions in your videos. Embrace the power of drone technology and unlock a world of possibilities for your content creation endeavors. Leave a comment below your favorite drone model to cover in detail in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to be notified for the next video.